Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to all of you who liked my videos, who viewed it, and who commented also. Thank you so much. You are my family, you are my friends, and many of my friends have advised me that you should get apps to improve your quality. And if you people will comment, I will try to do that. But right now, I want to stay and keep my channel quite natural. And these sounds background sounds actually do not bother me. I don't know about you. If these sounds bother you, kindly do write it in comment and subscribe my channel, like it, and share it too. It would be an educational channel. It would be a channel to improve your spoken English. It would be a channel where I will teach you how to be a public speaker, and I will teach you how to be very confident and how to just get over your shyness. Um, because when I was a child, I still remember I could not utter a single word in front of guests. I used to lock myself in my room so I cannot meet my own maternal and paternal cousins and uncles who visit us once in a year. Secondly, I could not attend wedding party. I could not be in the group of my friends, and I could not answer teacher in class due to social anxiety. And social anxiety happens when you are not very confident in public. And I used to feel very low and very timid, shy in public and in my class. When I was when I was actually admitted in a college, I just left my college after I think 2 weeks because I could not be in those 40 girls. I couldn't stand there. I was all the time thinking or feeling very shy, and I was like that I am not self confident, and I was not quite confident at all at that time. Later on, I don't know how, I don't know why, but how it was very tough for me, but I did it. I did it and I killed my shyness, and I am alhamdulillah I'm confident enough. Nothing disturbs me now in front in for for while speaking in front of public. And because when you, like my friend said that, I just want to quote an example over here. One of my friends said that you should get a filter or an app to edit your videos, because where you fumble you just cut down that video. I said no, I do not want to cut down, and I do not want to filter it, because everyone is, we are human, we do fumble, we do make mistakes, we do learn, and we do learn while making mistakes. So it's okay to make mistakes and accept your mistakes. Sometimes we make mistakes, unknowingly, and sometimes we make it while we know that we are making mistake, but we can't help it because it is already done. So what is done cannot be undone. So thank you so much um, for your love, for your kindness, for your appreciation. I'm really happy to come on YouTube channel. I was intending to do that 2 years ago, but I could not do it because I am not technically sound, and I needed help of people who can make YouTube channel for me. And I am a literary person. I read books, and inshallah, I will present book reviews because I have read number of books. And one thing more, um, when I used to watch Indian channels of the girls who used to speak English or all that. So at that time, I thought that they keep their Indian accent. Okay, our Pakistani nation or Pakistani generation is somehow confused to adapt, accent. Some people adapt English, Indian, European. So I thought that as a teacher, I want children not to become pseudo English people. If you are not English by birth, you can't speak like them. Try to keep your accent neutral. Yes, it's very okay and it is very good to sound like English people, but if you do not sound fake, you should pronounce every word correctly. And if it is coming naturally to you, that you can adopt their accent naturally, it is okay then. Try not to be fake. English girls are in sorry, Indian girls are doing very well on their channels. But what is happening? Their accent is very Indian, very Hindi, and some of them are, speaking in fake accent. It's not English, or and neither it is Indian. So that's why I prefer and advise people to, you know, adopt neutral accent, your own accent, but correct English with correct pronunciation. Thank you so much. It's a little advice for my cheetahs groups. Cheetahs groups are actually, I'm a teacher, and I called my children, my students, and they are the real champions. Mashallah, Alhamdulillah. We are blessed that our children are very good and are very, their intellectual level is quite higher than when we were our kids, comparatively to us. Thank you so much. If you do not like anything and if you think that I fumble a lot, do suggest me. You can. You are free to give me advices. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Take care of you. Have a very nice day ahead. And it's now 8 p.m. So have a nice time. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. Do not forget to subscribe my channel.